This is Daniel with Ace Used Auto Parts. We're here with a 2004 Chevy Avalanche, stock number 14E67 with a 5.3. You see we have this beautiful Avalanche with plenty of parts. Beautiful doors, all power, front and rear on the driver's side. Beautiful factory roof rack. Mirrors with turn signals. All in great shape. Beautiful quarter panel. Factory 17-inch Chevy wheels, full set with tires. Now we're going to come up here to the back, take a look at the rear clip. We got a beautiful rear chrome bumper with trailer hitch. Tailgate, both taillights all in great shape. Tonneau cover. Come over here to the passenger side. A lot of great parts. Front and rear doors, we do have a factory step sides. Now we're going to take a quick peek at this beautiful interior. It's a tan cloth, two-tone, great shape. Beautiful headliner. Take a peek at these door panels. Great shape. Good upgrade for any Avalanche. Driver's side door panel, great shape. Passenger side, excuse me. Front and rear seats with center console, dash, climate control, steering column, cluster, you name it, we've got it. All our products do come tested and ran with the 100-day warranty. Now we're going to come up here to the front. We're going to take a look at this 5.3. I'm going to have Jeremy fire it up for us. '2004 Chevy Avalanche, stock number 14E67 with a 5.3. Thank you.